This Hobson Realtors property video is presented by Jennifer %20 and %20 Joel %20 Hobson. Rare opportunity to buy a one-bedroom unit at the luxurious Waterford Plaza on the river. Amazing views from 9th floor balcony west/remote control phantom screens. Stunning renovations throughout west/handsome wood floors, kitchen west/custom cabinets, Wolf/Sub-Zero appliances, granite, gorgeous bathroom west/Kearns Wilczek cabinets. New HVAC 2015. Reserved parking space number 201. Amazing amenities west/24-hour guard, indoor and outdoor pools, tennis court, exercise room, steam/sauna, and more. Showings start tour.720. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer %20 and %20 Joel %20 Hobson at 901-761-1622.